I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right.
Okay, so welcome to this week's grocery haul and meal plan. This is kind of a smaller haul because I went to Costco earlier in the week, so it was $160 that I spent at Walmart. So I got some sugar-free coffee creamer, the French vanilla kind for coffee. I got some half and half for my coffee, some bananas, a gallon of 2% milk. This was on Ibotta rebate, the Earth Balance, I think it's margarine basically, so we were out, so I got some of that. And then this was also an Ibotta rebate, this strawberry preserves, and we were out of jam, so I went ahead and got some of that. I got some of this sparkling smart water. I use this with lemon to drink. I think it's really good, and this was the last one they had. It was also on an Ibotta rebate. I also got some of the V8 Energy Peach Mango. I get this every week. We like to drink it in the morning. It has a little bit of caffeine in it. It's really good. I got some broccoli cauliflower medley for dinner one night, and then also some green leaf lettuce. I'll cut this up and use it for salads. I got one English cucumber, a red pepper, and then again I got 4 of the pepperoni panino. This is just pepperoni wrapped around a mozzarella cheese stick. The kids really like to take these in their lunch and have them for snacks. I got some of the Tortilla Land uncooked tortillas. These are really good if you have not tried them. They cook up in a dry skillet just in a few minutes, and we're going to use these for some quesadillas this week. I got 2 cans of just mini ravioli for the kids, and then I also got them some chocolate milk, these little bottles. I thought they could take those in their lunches. And then I got a bottle of the Ocean Spray white cranberry peach juice for breakfast. We got a new coffee maker that has both a carafe and a Keurig in it, and so I got some K-Cups. These are the Seattle's Best House Blend. These are still on an Ibotta rebate, the Cherry Jolly Rancher Pop-Tarts. Connor's been liking those for breakfast, so I got some more of those. And then I was almost out of garlic paste, so I got some of this. I've actually stopped buying regular garlic just because this is so much easier to squeeze into the pot when you're cooking. I needed some shredded cheese, so I got, this is a new shredded cheese product. It's expertly paired, so it's cheddar and asadero cheese, and I had an Ibotta rebate for this as well as a coupon. I got these Evol chicken enchilada dinner. Sometimes I take these for lunch to work. This is on an Ibotta rebate, so I got $1 off of that. And then I just got some bologna for the kids' lunches. I got some green onions and a dozen eggs. These are the free-range brown eggs, the Walmart brand. I got some red potatoes for dinner one night, and then I always like to keep lemons on hand for cooking and putting in water. I got 1 sweet potato, that's for dinner, some chocolate chip Eggo waffles, and some cheese toast for a dinner this week. And then I got some Cheez-It Extra Toasty. These are really good, and this was on an Ibotta rebate as well. So for non-food, I just got a bag of dog food for Murphy. This is actually on sale for $3, which is a super good price for these. These are the Tide Downy Unstoppables. You just sprinkle these in the washer when you wash your clothes, and they make it smell really good. Some Axe spray, and then some of these fiber gummies for the kids. I had been having them take these for a while and forgot to buy them again, so here they are. I got some deodorant, some Q-tips, and then I was out of laundry detergent, so I got some Gain. I like to use the powder because supposedly it's better for your washing machine than the liquid. Okay, so here's the menu plan for this week, the 22nd through the 28th. Today we had smoked ribs and chicken. Adam did those on the smoker, and then I also had some potato salad and cheesy potatoes that were in the freezer from Easter, and so I heated those up, and we had those. Tomorrow I'm going to make barbecue chicken quesadillas and sweet potato fries. Tuesday, I bought some chicken piccata pasta from Costco. It's a ready-made meal, so I'm just going to make that along with some breadsticks and some salad. And then Wednesday, I have a meal from Blue Apron. It's steak, roasted potatoes, and roasted broccoli. And then Thursday, we'll eat whatever leftovers or whatever we can find in the fridge. And then Friday is always pizza night, or we'll probably go out to eat after Connor's soccer game. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.